Whoa, it's a bit chilly out here this morning, but good morning, friends. And I've started my work on dismantling the high tunnels, cattle panel high tunnels, and so I can construct my high tunnels with the cattle panels. So that'll be a process. I'm just starting this first recording, and we'll go from there. Thanks. Here we are, middle of April, and we're right in the middle of a blizzard. Got about 10 centimeters of snow on the ground, and it's coming down hard. So I thought this would be a good time to do phase one of the mini greenhouse project. So I'm going to post up a bunch of videos and photos from where we are right now. And the first of the mini greenhouses is about 75% complete, and the second is about a half. So I'll show those, and you'll get a perspective of where we're at, and hopefully in another couple of months everything will be done. There'll be plants and trees in it, and we'll get a better idea what the final version is actually going to look like. So hope you're having a great time, and your spring is being very fruitful. Thank you. Okay, second day, second wall is going up there. There's the first wall, second wall. Get those up, and then I got to work on each end. Starting the construction of the high tunnels, turning the hoop arches into high tunnels covered, and trying to boost my zones, 3 or 4 zones. And I'll keep you apprised of what's happening. Thanks. Okay, here's my workers. They're on a work stoppage. Shivering cold, their hands are numb.
And your workers that are not shivering to death because their hands are cold.
Okay, and what they did is they started painting out here, so let's take a look. Here, painting all around the window enclosure so I can install the windows, and around the door. So we'll get that door and the windows in, maybe tomorrow. So they'll be installed on the outside, and then on the south side I've got my gable end there. I gotta finish that off. So it's coming. Well, that's about it for today. Enough painting. It's getting cold, and I don't think that's going to be good for the paint. So, enough for today. Continue tomorrow. Well, just got the rafter, the roof beam in, ceiling beam. You can see it in the background. So I just got to get the rest of the rafters in, and then windows and doors, and then start finishing the walls. But it's coming along, slow but sure. All right, next time. You also missed it earlier, but I took a rotary sander and I sanded off all the edges right up to the top that the plastic's going to lay on, so keep it from ripping. So it's all set to go. Okay, here we are, beautiful morning, and working on the wire. So putting this wire inside so I get beans, pole beans growing on the sides, and then right up to the roof we'll have grapes. So it's coming together.